This is the Forecasting tab. This is where your field manager can make predictions on the completion requirements for any portion of their project. For example, if the general contractor comes to them and asks how long it would take to complete the kitchen area of a new restaurant because the kitchen equipment was coming early and they didn't have anywhere to store it, your field manager could select all of the tasks associated with the kitchen, choose the number of available workers who could work on it, and make a very accurate estimate of how many days it would take to complete. It's always better to finish early than to finish late when you make completion predictions. You can finish 1 hour late, and they'll always remember you finished late. But if you finish 1 hour early, they will think you're psychic. So I always recommend that you add 10 to 20% more time to your prediction, depending on complexity. To start, add the number of rows you need. Select the tasks associated with the work you want to predict. Add the available working days, total working hours per day, and workers you have available for the task, and select Update Page. Our predicted manpower requirements are 3.5 workers to complete on time, and if we use 4 workers, our workday requirements are 4.3 days. I would be comfortable using 4 workers and predicting 5 days, as long as I had tested my task hours and knew them to be pretty accurate, or a little on the fat side.